Hi dear students, welcome back. It's time to read out aloud. What do we have to read aloud? The sounds of a word. Okay, let's start. A lad has a cap. A lad has a cap. Cat sat on a mat. Cat sat on a mat. Read the given words and circle them in the given paragraph. Now we have to read the words here in the help box and we have to circle them in the given paragraph. यानी जो ये words दिए हुए हैं हमें, इनको हमें इन paragraphs में circle करना है. Okay, let's start. Here is a cat. Where is cat? Oh yes, it is given. So circle this CAT, cat. The cat sat on a mat. The mat is given in the help box. Yes, MAT, mat, and also SAT, sat. The cat, we have cat again. Okay, so we will circle this also. Then we have the cat had a hat. We have again CAT, cat, HAT, hat. The rat sat on the hat. RAT, rat, SAT, sat, on the HAT, hat. The cat and rat, CAT, cat, RAT, rat, SAT, sat and sat. It was very interesting, na? So it's your time to read out aloud all the words given and practice. Bye-bye.